Good morning. Happy New Year. We are on Sanibel Island this January morning. Look at that shell line. Look at that shell line. Beautiful morning. Tons of shells. Unfortunately, we got a little red tide going on, so there is dead fish mixed in with these shells. So, let's see what we can find this morning. That's a nice one. Little pretty pink scallop. See what I'm talking about? Little dead fish like that. And then bigger fish every once in a while too. Well, this is the first time we've ever been to Sanibel during a red tide. I like that it's washing up all kinds of different stuff. I don't necessarily like that it makes me cough. Oh, you just found that in the dry line. Right there. Thank you, honey. There's a whole bunch more of these little dead guys right here. I keep seeing, this line keeps having those. It's like a little baby catfish or something. Nope, there's another. Oh, there's two. Oh. It's definitely different. Like yesterday, there was tons of sea urchins everywhere. There's another one. Today, no sea urchins. Well, Robert found one, but I think it was from yesterday. So, yesterday, no olives. Today, once we got on the beach, we found a handful. So, that's the one thing I love about Sanibel. Every day is different. Completely different. Seen a lot of these, like, clam shells still hooked together. I mean, it looks like a catfish, like from where we're from. It's just weird because pretty much all the dead fish are the same style of fish. So I guess some are more susceptible to the red tide than others. Oh, look at this. This is a different color of clam. That's cool. Oh, is this a junio or a cone? I think this is just a piece of a cone. Would have been nice to find a full cone. It's definitely rough. Like sometimes I have no problem getting into the water. Not today. It's too rough for that. For me anyway. What kind of dog? Was that a? Huh. My husband gets easily distracted by dogs. There's a lot of nice dogs on Sanibel Island. That's a nice gray scallop. What is this? I don't know, like a brown jingle. Bless you, honey. I'm gonna cough, so let me try to cover my speaker. Oh, look at that. That's an itty bitty pin shell. Look how small that. Oh, that's interesting. Are you really, is biking on the beach a thing? I don't know that I've ever seen people bike on a beach before.
We'll have to hit that line up.
Okay. Look at this. A little broken, but still nice. Can I have a drink of water, honey? Thank you. Always remember your water on the beach, even if it's only 70 degrees. It's important to stay hydrated because it's very easy to get distracted on the beach and you think you're only going to stay out for an hour and then all of a sudden it's 3 hours later. That's a nice orange scallop. Sorry about that. Alright, found a couple goodies in this video, not a lot. As you can see, there's tons of shells. It's just a lot of them are broken up. And I'm a little picky when I pick up shells because I come here 3 or 4 times a year. So I don't pick up as much unless it's something truly unique and rare. So if anyone's thinking, oh my God, why are you passing up all those shells? That's why I'm looking for the less common shells. And anyway, I'm not seeing it right now, so I'm gonna wait until we get closer down there. We're trying to get farther than we have before because I know there's a bend around here that has really good shelling. That's our goal. So I'll record when we get closer to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope everyone has a happy new year.